everybody, I'm back. And today I wanted to have a little chat. Okay, so today I'm not going to be doing any nail stuff. Ugh, still got makeup on me. So today I just wanted to have a little chat. Not going to be doing any nails or anything like that. Just wanted to talk. Sorry, it's a little chilly today, so I got this hood up. I'm kind of cold. What I wanted to talk about today was the fact that California salons are open again, which is great. But I also just kind of wanted to express some frustrations. While I'm very happy that salons are back open, there's just a part of me that can't be too happy. Simply because, this has happened 3 times now. We've been closed and then allowed to reopen 3 times. So you can't help but kind of always have this thing in the back of your head that you could get closed down again at any moment. And then the other reason I can't be overjoyed is because, thanks for giving me my business back. I don't feel we should have been shut down in the first place, especially salons, since we're trained in preventing viruses from spreading in the salon. So, I don't know. It's just kind of a weird feeling right now. And yeah, it's like if someone stole your car, you'd be really happy to get it back. But at the same time, it should have been taken in the first place. You shouldn't have had to go through all that to get your car back. Yeah? Yeah, that's kind of how I feel about it. Anyway, just wanted to express that really quick. I know a lot of people are going to disagree with me, and that's okay. Not everyone has to feel the same way about things. This is just how I feel about them. And I just kind of wanted to talk about it. And if anyone else is feeling that way too, let me know. Just trying to get a feel for the overall feel and census of the industry. If you work in the industry, let me know by leaving a comment. I know that was a really quick one, but it's just something I felt like I had to say. So if you liked this really quick video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Make sure and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you know when I upload new videos. Because you don't want to miss them, right? I will see you in the next one. Bye.